Okay, how to do this thing again. I haven't really recorded in a minute because of school. Hey guys, am I really gonna put that in? I probably is. I know it's been a while since seeing the way I look. Don't mind that. I was having a fun time. It's I don't know you can see it, but you probably you can see it on the side. It's four. It's I'm about to say 4:14. It's 4:17. I don't look. I am a bit tired. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna record right now. Then go to sleep and record more. But I'm on a live stream, like twitch.tv/brown. No, Brown Daryl. I think so. My voice is a bit off. I'm drinking my water. Out of this cup, I don't know. Why this intro is so long? I don't know either. Let's make myself miserable once again. And the thing is, this is we about to record. We about to record some dishwasher on a Sunday and post this on a Monday because you'll love the video of me suffering. So I'm just gonna need more. You said play the game already? Gotcha. All right, we back in dishwasher, y'all. Thank you for this love and support in this series. I'm loving it, and I don't know if I'm close to being in the game, but I feel like I've been playing this game for longer than I'm supposed to. So let's get in. All right. Also, I might just slow down my recording because my headphones are kind of broken. So let's get in the game. It's been a long time. We are in the belly of the banking empire. What was built on integrity and vulture has been acquired by corruption and greed. Let's meet a man, okay, who believes in it. Yo, I haven't played this game in a long time. Let me get my thing ready. It gonna come back to me soon. I forgot I have this much. Machine gun. I have a machine gun? Let's see if I still got it. Oh. Not again, we're not doing this again. Switch on accident. Come on. Make. Make. You're scared. I forgot how crucial this game was. Oh, need move. I need to know how. Okay. Okay, so this is warm up. This is warm up. Let me turn this game down real quick. All right, there we go. This is warm up, y'all. This is warm up. I'm just figuring out how to play this game, you know. Okay. We just start with that. I should not take my break, huh? You know? I remember magic is that. Okay. I have mastered the magic technique. No, honestly, that's my first time doing that stuff on command. God. Ooh, he moved. Ah. I forgot this girl's a vampire. And she want blood, alright. Come on. Die! Ooh. Be careful. Ah! I finished the level? Oh! He terminated me! Hold on. Oh, y'all, disclaimer, my energy is like low, a bit low. So just hang on, alright, y'all. This is early in the morning. I want to get in contact with y'all. I'm Miss Akama Kazi? Part sickle, part depth cyclone. The kamikaze is great for fast attack and acrobatics. Oh yeah, how to equip it? A loadout? Oh yeah, tab. I need a key card. Got. Ooh. You got, nigga. You got. Ooh. I messed up. At first I felt bad, now I don't. I understand what we gotta do. I know the things y'all can do, alright. This ain't my second time or third time living. Not done by your own hands, you done by my hands. Indeed. I love my surprise. Yeah, key card. I got missing something. But because this is like I'm recording this like late. Going against a boss? Advanced mechanic did war fighter. Come on. What did we get? Oh, okay, okay, I get it. Let me learn how you operate. Oh, okay. Damn, man, you found me out. Ooh, I'm finessing right now. I'm not finessing him right now. Alright, let me... How I did that? How I got a machine gun? This control? This game has it all. I'm gonna fight my gun with your gun, you know? Barely does any damage. Yeah! What's the temp? Go. Do a temp. Have enemy. I'm there. I'm like there. Gimme. Oh my god. Y'all, the recording is like 13 minutes. This better not be in the... Who are you? I knew this day would come. Prayer says like you can't value accomplishment. This building, this empire, I built it all. And I destroy it all to spite you. Starting from the top. Oh! He just did the side, y'all. Can't shut up. That's a level? 8 minutes. Y'all, this is the fastest I completed the mission, y'all. Maybe, maybe we will see. We will see if we can continue this. It's 14 minutes. I know this episode's gonna be so short. He built an empire. He owns twisted concept. That's dust and dust. Corruption, poison, everything. implications is the